Alright, YouTube, here we got the TDX SP. As you can see, these are the walking beams on both sides of the front end. I have the chair currently oriented upright. This model TDX features the TDX model has two different setups. This is the newer of the two, where you have a motor that mounts inside this subassembly, and then the previous design, instead of having this lower pivot right there, that was the motor that would mount there, and then this upper part here would have a rib on the gearbox. That is the old style. This is the newer style that creates this subassembly. My motors are covered in plastic, so you can't see them right now. You can see the plastic. There's the gearbox. I don't have a way to remove that to show you. But then, yes, the motor will mount inside the space. All that I have left to do is to reinstall the gas strut. That is running behind. You can see the Invacare sticker on it, or below it. And yeah, it's nice. I did another video covering the casters. So this is the original trucks from Invacare, but they measure 7/16. And if you know math, 7/16 is less than a half inch. Half inch is the standard axle used by casters that are industrial. So these are industrial casters, and I ended up drilling these trucks to accommodate a half-inch axle. One of my metal guys that I talk with at Metalhead Fab, he told me that it was not a big deal at all to cut out that extra 1/16 of an inch, given how much metal is around on the fork. So I've done it, I've ran it, I've rolled them. I rolled them till I basically bent these parts, and now I've replaced these parts, and we'll see how it rolls after that. But it should roll great. Anybody looking to not have to buy the expensive wheels from Invacare, this is the way to do it. You drill them, and then you can get industrial casters for $7-8 a piece, and it's not bad at all. It's considerably cheaper than the factory wheel, which is $50 a piece. If you need this whole assembly, that's $495 a piece. But you can go to any bearing shop and pick up 1/8 inch by, or 1 1/8. Actually, 1 3/8 by 1/2 inch by, I can't remember the other measurement. But you can take the old bearing, if you can get out the parts, and take that to any industrial place, and they should be able to help you find them. That's all I did.